Find or read reviews that people are talking about BIGASUO Portable Monitor, 15.6-inch, 1080p, FHD, Portable Monitor for Laptop, USB-C, HDMI Computer Display HDR. Ultra Slim IPS Gaming Monitor with Smart Cover. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Full HD 1080p Portable Monitor, BIGASUO 15.6-inch Portable Laptop Monitor with 1920x1080 resolution, advanced IPS screen, supports 178 degrees broader viewing angle, HDR technology. 60 Hz high refresh rate, which presents vibrant and realistic and brighter colors, immersing you into video and game and image with amazing details. It can effectively reduce blue light radiation, relieve eye strain, and makes it easier for a long time watch when working, studying, gaming, traveling and more. Wide compatibility. BIGASUO features with a full-function USB Type-C port and mini HDMI port, access to your favorite devices easily via USB Type-C or mini HDMI cable connection, no need of app or drivers. Plug and play. Compatible with most laptops, smartphones, Mac, PC, Switch, Xbox, Nintendo Switch and more. Note, when connecting devices via mini HDMI interface, it is necessary to simultaneously connect the provided adapter to power the monitor. Travel Monitor for Laptop. BIGASUO 15.6-inch Laptop Monitor Extender adopts ultra slim IPS panel design, weighing only 1.7 pounds and 0.3-inch thickness, lightweight and travel-friendly. Convenient to carry in hands or fit into bag. The computer monitor with friendly menu control wheel for setting and clear interface labeling for using. BIGASUO provides full refund or replacement within 365 days. Please directly contact us if any needs or problems, we will reply within 24 hours. PS, if you have missed any accessories or received the broken item in the package, please contact us for new free one. Multiple display mode. The laptop screen extender with multiple display modes, copy mode / extended mode / second screen mode. You can mirror your laptop screen to monitor during meeting, share the details with colleagues in real time, or extend your laptop window tabs for multitasking, improving work efficiency. You can also mirror your phone to enjoy HD movies in large screen, or duplicate your Switch screen for a better gaming experience. Built-in speakers bring better immersive experience. 2-in-1 Smart Cover. Designed with a sturdy PU leather smart cover, the smart case can not only fully protect the screen, also can be used as a stable stand. The bottom of protective case is intentionally designed with 2 grooves, allowing you to adjust the monitor to your comfortable angle. Second monitor for laptop also can work in landscape or portrait mode. The preferred choice for enhancing experiences in work, study, gaming, entertainment, and more. If you want to get full highlight features and or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.